Welcome to the topic series. My name is Roy Paulson. Today we're talking about accessories to fit the Malta Dynamics Apex climbing safety helmet. I have attached here an AMP1 12 HTA. This is specifically for this helmet, and it has a 12 calorie rating for arc flash. Also available as a 20 calorie, which would be an AMP1 20 HTA. I'm showing this in the stowed position, and you can see how it has a weight balancing feature of that when the shield goes up, it's come back further on the helmet, creating a good balance on this helmet. This is the deployed position. So this is a nanoparticle face shield, transparent chin protector. It attaches without any tools, and the face shield attaches to the interior of our cap bracket. You'll notice that there's a click when it comes to the top position, and this helps hold it in position, what we would call stowed position. And you can adjust the pivots on either side so that if you want to have just a welder's nod where you nod your head, the face shield will come down, or tighten it so that you have to pull it down into position. We have additional accessories for this arc flash combination here, and that is our ALM kit. Includes a flashlight and an attachment that goes onto the face shield. This is designed to be able to slip on, snaps into place, and the face shield can be in the stowed or deployed position for the flashlight. So here as a deployed position, and the flashlight can be adjusted in and out, up and down, and so when you put it into the stowed position, you can bring the flashlight to bear once again. This flashlight can be worn on either side, or you can wear two of them. Lights last about 8 hours on the batteries, and it's an LED light with a push button on the back, very easy to work with, and you can even have one of these stowed in your pocket, so if the flashlight starts to go dim, you can pull it out and drop it into place. We're discussing different accessories that you can put onto your Malta Dynamics Apex helmet. And the purpose of all these accessories and the way that we've laid them out is that you can buy one bracket and then purchase individual face shields based on your application. You might have an application that just requires a clear shield, like this is the clear IM22 L6F WCS attached to this very specific bracket for the Malta Dynamics Apex helmet. Deployed position, stowed position, weight compensating, so it's balanced on the top of your helmet and more compact. But you might have an application that you need to have a welding shield. So here we have the IM22 L6F 5 WCS. It's a shade 5 welding face shield for welding, cutting, gas welding and cutting, and it attaches to the same bracket. You would buy the shield separate from the bracket. This is an IM22 L6F C5 WCS. It's a cobalt blue face shield used in the steel industry so that you can identify and rake off the slag that's on the top of the molten steel. It blocks what's called the sodium line so that the slag would look different than the molten steel. Shade 5, so it has all of the absorbing requirements of the ANSI Z87.1 standard for infrared, visible light, and ultraviolet. Here we have an IM22 GHC 6F WCS. This is a gold-coated polycarbonate clear face shield. Fits the same bracket, and this has a feature of that it reflects the infrared energy away from you so that when you're in front of a very hot oven or molten materials, glass, the infrared energy is reflected away, you stay cool behind it, and it protects your eyes from both the UV, infrared, and the high visible light. And finally, we're showing here a very unique face shield. This is an IM23 N6F WCS. It's a transparent nylon face shield with a nylon chin protector. This is made specifically for the paper and pulp industry, and where there's a potential for being splashed with the smelt that's used in that industry. And the smelt is very corrosive. That's why we have a material here that is resistant against the corrosive nature of the smelt, and also a high temperature rated material. So these are all different accessory face shields that can be used onto this Malta Dynamics Apex helmet. And you are further extending the usability of this helmet in more applications by being able to use these different face shields. An additional accessory for your Apex helmet is our quick view system. This is a QV22 L6F 5 WCS-A. It's a clear face shield, 10 by 20 inch polycarbonate. It has a shade 5 window that can be raised and lowered independently of the pivots on when you have it on the helmet. So you're just raising and lowering this if you want. Of course, you can raise the whole entire assembly. So this is the IM22 L6F5 WCS-A. It can also be ordered with a cobalt shade 5 face shield. Same action, same idea. And so that way, when you raise this after you've turned away from the bright source, you're still protected by the clear face shield. All of these accessories are made to further enhance the abilities of this type of a helmet so you can work in more applications. So we have here the Malta Dynamics Apex helmet. You would buy the bracket separately from the face shields. So you would purchase the bracket that's made specifically for this helmet, and then you would buy the face shield that goes onto this bracket for your industrial application. This bracket, just to point out the features of it, on the interior we have an attachment system that we call the lever lock. So the shield attaches at these 2 points here and then snaps in at the center. No tools required. These are the helmet adapters, which we are calling the press to release helmet adapter that fits into the accessory slots of the helmet. And then here we have the adjustable pivots and the stops here and here, which is the full top stop and all the way deployed stop. So this combination of features are all on the bracket, all made specifically to work together with your Malta Dynamics Apex helmet.